Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an arsenal of sword icons and sprites by Kuro, an MZ plugin by Gemini that displays status increase and decrease in equipment description, a tileset with all sorts of doors and entrances by Noir et Blanc Patisserie, a tileset of forest trees by Megatiles, an article tutorial by Hidden One on utilizing the luck stat both in and out of battles. And lastly, we have our first design and artwork of MV-chan by Izeunne. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.